Forklifts are an essential part of any warehouse or distribution center, but they can also pose significant safety risks if not operated properly. In this video, we'll cover some key forklift operation safety tips to keep you and your colleagues safe.
Forklift operator Wahid here. Okay, sir, I am coming.
Let's take a look at some key safety tips to keep in mind. PPEs. Compliance is crucial when operating a forklift. Always wear the appropriate PPE, safety shoes, high visibility clothing. A hard hat, safety gloves, all PPEs are ready. You are good to go. Before starting work, it's important to have a toolbox talk to review safety procedures and best practices. This can help ensure that everyone is on the same page and ready to work safely. Only trained and authorized personnel should operate forklifts. Operators should have a valid license and certificate. Before using a forklift, conduct a pre-use inspection to ensure that it's in good working order. Check the brakes, tires, lights, beacons, alarms, and other components to make sure they're functioning properly. After pre-use inspection, you are ready to go. Always observe the speed limit when operating a forklift. Never drive too fast and always be aware of your surroundings. In OMRTS max, speed in loaded condition is 4 to 5 kilometers per hour, and in unloaded condition is 8 to 10 kilometers per hour. Travel with forks as low as possible from the floor. While moving with load, drive slowly and forks must be tilted back to avoid load falling. Proper load balance and tie-up are critical for forklift safety. Make sure that the load is centered on the forks and properly secured to prevent it from falling off during transport. When raising the forks, make sure that they're in the correct position and angle for the load. Always ensure that the load you're carrying is within the safe working load limit of the forklift. Do not use mobile phone while driving forklift. By following these safety tips, you can help ensure that you and your colleagues stay safe when operating forklifts. Stay alert, stay aware, and always prioritize safety. Thanks for watching.